Om. Namaste. Hope all are comfortably enjoying Kriya Kundalini series Secrets. On the guidance of Mahavatar Babaji, ever since we introduced Aksharamala Dhyana, there has been uncontrollable blissfulness, happiness around the members who have taken Diksha or initiation. Every member is undergoing one or other spiritual experience. Their happiness is almost to the brim of their cup. With these conditions, as guided by Mahavatar Babaji, we wanted to take this particular special dhyana, Aksharamala dhyana, to a little higher level. More and more people in and around us need calmness, serenity, peace, prosperity, material comfort, spiritual comfort, physical comforts, social comforts, and the job related or office related comforts. Material comfort alone cannot satisfy us, because once the material comfort comes to us in our grip, we must know how to live the life. Otherwise, we are being caught by very bad habits, bad companies, bad situations, and ultimately our physical body becomes sick, our mind becomes sick, our social relationship becomes sick, and total our environment looks sick for us. In order to improve or in order to contain this situation, we wanted to take Aksharamala more broadly to more people through members who have already participated in Aksharamala. Keeping this in mind, with the grace and with the guidance of Sadguru Mahavatar Babaji, we are introducing a teachers training program for the members who have already been initiated into Aksharamala Dhyana. The teachers training course will have 18 days duration for the members to learn the nitty-gritties of training an ordinary person into Aksharamala Dhyana. The members who enroll for the Aksharamala Dhyana need not come to Babaji Sannidhan. They can learn at their comfort online from any part of the world at your ease, at your comfort. You will learn all the necessary nitty-gritties, necessary method, how you will guide a person who approaches you for Aksharamala Dhyana. In about 18 days, weekly 2 times, we will have special online classes through different platforms. We will keep you informed. We will be able to impart the knowledge in English, in Hindi, in Kannada, and in Tamil. One need not have so much proficiency in the language for teaching this course. In order to establish that only, we are adding 2 extra languages, Kannada as well as Tamil. The training program will last 30 to 45 minutes. The trained person can run classes at their residence itself. There are no requirement for any additional infrastructure you will have to invest on. Absolutely, when you train a person in your house, maximum if you want to have any infrastructure, it could be 2 chairs, 2 mats, that's all. A small board will be prominent so that members can see and spread by word of mouth. Beyond this, you don't need to invest on anything. After successful completion of the program, you will be given a certificate which can give more confidence for you. The persons who have been trained by us in Aksharamala Dhyana can learn, can earn, can improve their own meditation methods, can themselves grow, and in a short period of time, overall their surrounding will improve, thus enhancing their financial position, their knowledge position, their knowing position, besides taking them more and more up and up on spiritual path. All those who wants to join this special teacher training course can send their details to the WhatsApp number we have given in this slide at the end of this program. Please do not ask in the YouTube itself, where can I contact, whom should I contact? Please do not ask such questions. We will not be in a position to answer to you. Go to the last slide. All details are given. After going through your details, if you are convinced, first we will initiate you into Aksharamala Dhyana. After your successful practice only, you can take up the teacher training program. If you have already been initiated into Aksharamala Dhyana, then only you can become a teacher. If you have not been initiated till now, the first step you will take for enrolling initiation of Aksharamala Dhyana, and you should practice Aksharamala Dhyana as guided in the program for at least 21 days. After completion of 21 days, only you will be able to apply for teacher training program. Before that, it will be difficult for you to join this program. As a result, we will always suggest you go step by step. Don't be in a hurry. We will be training maximum of 2 persons in one pin code or one zip code. We will assure that once a person undergoes a teacher training program, he or she will richly get benefited not only by spiritual knowledge, but also will be able to learn more and more, also earn more and more, also increase their comfort, also they will be in a position to improve the comforts of others who come into contact with them seeking help for initiation into Aksharamala Dhyana. Please share this video among your friends and ensure that they also get benefited out of this Aksharamala Dhyana. Hope this program will be interesting to you and you will be joining the teacher training certification program at the earliest. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha.